back to my channel. So today guys, ako na to guys. So we're currently here at KKD East TK and Barbecue. So it's located here in Plaza Independencia. So doon na siya guys, Malakaw na siya. So let's go guys, let's check out their food and let's review their food. Actually it's already 3 p.m. so we're gonna have our late lunch. So let's go guys. Ano sa mini sa KKD?
Crocodile.
Ha?
Crocodile.
Crocodile?
Steak is sugba tuwa.
Istike is sugba, tuwa, and kilaw. Sugba is grill. So muna siya guys, they serve authentic Filipino food. So let's go and check out their food. Hi ma'am, what's your name?
Abby, ma'am.
Abby and
Jen.
so sila ni siya ang mga kuan. Dali mga tanda ta, unsa ni siya?
Ano siya, ma'am? Sisig rice,
Sisig rice and
sinuglaw, baked scallop,
scallop,
kinhason,
inhason.
crispy pata, ma'am,
Wow,
bestseller.
kalami, bestseller. Kani siya, same. And then this one is the balbacoa. And
Seafood pancit canton.
seafood pancit canton. And then
nukos with
the
ata.
nukos. Look at the ata. Ito black. Ang saan na itong nipon ani ron. And
Lechon bilangkad.
ngano nagbilangkad man ni siya. Ngano gyud. Next kay atong
Sisig, ma'am.
sisig. Unsa ni siya na sisig?
One, ma'am, pork.
Pork sisig. And
Yan ang talong.
wow! Pinakubunsa kasi yan yung talong di ay. And wow, kadako ano.
Tuna pa nga, ma'am.
Tuna pa nga.
Yes, ma'am.
Ito palas.
Lechon kawali.
Lechon kawali, ka nice. Uy, oh guys. Nice kayo lang mga presentation silang food, no? Gwapa kayo, no? Marag ako. Charot. Sabi tao. Oh, kung ano ko na pag ito.
Hi.
Hi!
Hello.
Oh, gwapa mo na lang mga kuandri. Uy, mga behind the scene guys. Buhay vlogger. Hello, alright, today's friends. So, mag-start na ta sa atong review silang mga food. So, once na ito yung first na ipuan. Before ko mag-start, I would like to thank KKD for inviting us here. So, mabusog na sad ako mga bitok. Charot. Muna siya ang ilahang. Unsa ka nini? Chorizo.
No, that's chorizo.
Chorizo rice.
Sisig rice.
Ay, sisig rice. So, I try na ito lang sisig rice first,
Next magmugna
guys.
sa kuha dito.
Yeah, sure. Nawa ilahang ko on this friends. Tuna pa nga. Dako kayo. Dako pa sa kong naong. Let's taste it, be. The legs wide open.
Ano, mag-coming ni siya dito.
Let's go, guys. Let's try their bilangkad.
Hi to my vlog. Namta ko.
Lamig kayo siya, guys. To try their leche plan here.
Timid kayo.
Creamy kayo niya. Kuhan kayo.
Sige man na.
Wala na diyan, ma'am.
Wow.
Lamig kayo siya.
Enjoy kasi May sa iyo food. Please, supportain ko ninyo by subscribing to Margaret.
Baka naman, free t-shirt.
Ano yung alam mo, kita sa tag-supply.
Bitaw, pila rin.
Darang ko sa ulo, malaban, no? So,
Winner, crispy pata.
ba't rin, ma'am?
Nakapalos na ko kay dito sa sa Ibo siya. Ako yung understanding ka ron. Last time dito sa Ibo, kanina sa akong tapat eh.
Ako to kay gikapoy man gud ko ato kay dugay kay mi natang mi for 2 hours mi nagsiglibot-libot. Di ba pagod ko yung breakfast ato mo to pag-abot kay wae mana sila interview ako si Kaon gapon. So if you want to watch that vlog guys, dara dire. I-click lang ni siya. By the way, don't forget also to support my fellow BYC family. So this one, Margaret, and Jackie. Hello Jackie. What's your channel?
Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, my new YouTube channel, that's DJ Jackie Vlogs on YouTube, and on Facebook, DJ Jackie Spotted, and on Instagram, Jackie at Jackie.
And
of course, mga kamerkads, My Food Mercado. O dili pa mo member sa My Food Mercado, sus! Pa-member na mo sa itong group. All you have to do is find the My Food Mercado group. And of course, like and subscribe My Food Mercado YouTube channel and Facebook.
Alright, taste friends. So, manakog kaon guys. Lamigid kayo lang food diri sa KKD. So, you should visit here and try their foods. Kay, makalimot kasi mong pangan. Bito guys, dami good siya. As in good. Ang ako pinaka-favorite sa akong mga natilawan kay ang sinuglaw and the kanang leche flan. Lami kay siya. So anyways guys, I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is @IamDaisy and my Facebook page is Daisy. And also, if you want to join my membership, just click the join button below. I have some perks for my members. So for that, I would like to give a big shout out to my 3 days friends. So, Arjun Rindon, Daddy Michael Shannon, and to Johnny. Thank you so much guys for your support. And, mura to siya guys. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye!
Please subscribe to